Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix no service on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to your settings, go to cellular or mobile data, make sure that the data is turned on. Now scroll down and tap on this network selection here, click this one. Make sure that you have turned on this automatic. If this one has been turned off, just toggle this one on. Now go to cellular data options and then you have to go to voice and data and make sure that this one is set to 5G as much as possible, 4G is the highest option. Now once done, you can now go back and then the next step that you're going to do here in order for you to fix this no service on iPhone is to just basically scroll down again, and this time you have to look for general. Here on general, you have to scroll down and then tap on date and time. Make sure that you have turned on this set automatically. Once done, go back again. Try to turn on your airplane mode and then tap off again. Just do it like 3 times. And then after that, you can now exit and try to turn on your mobile or cellular data again. After that, go to your settings, scroll down, look for general, and then this time you have to go to software update. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your iOS. After that, go back to general again, scroll down, and then this time you have to look for transfer or reset and try to reset your iPhone. Make sure to back up your file first. Then you can now restart your phone and see if this method worked. And that's how easy it is to fix no service on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.